It's an utter waste of time and money. I was so disappointed that I simply quit. I was expecting him to help me, but he did nothing whatsoever. It's just what I have been looking for. It's so secret that I can't even mention it. Expensive as it was, I couldn't resist buying it. I am proud of this. It is my very own recipe. Just who did you tell? It didn't bother me in the least. I would like to make it quite clear that I was not involved. The way he drives, he's bound to have an accident someday. Fasten your seatbelts, the plane's about to land. They're bound to be late, they're never on time. I checked with the station. The train is due to get in at 7:30. I had my coat on and was about to leave when the phone rang. She's due to retire in the summer when she reaches the age. He looks angry. I think he's about to lose his temper completely. With such poor sales figures, they're bound to go bankrupt sooner or later. The aircraft couldn't take off due to the fog. He was due to appear in court last Friday, but didn't show up. She's very proud of her success. I spent much of my childhood living abroad. The truth was never established. I can't resist chocolate. It's a weakness of mine. In all likelihood, she won't be able to come. Fog reduced visibility to 0. It was a remarkable success. He threatened to sack them if they didn't improve. The tiger is in danger of extinction. Her innocence was proved in court.
If this video was helpful, subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like and a comment below, and remember to share with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.